Hi, I'm Mehdi, owner of Sunny Bliss Plumbing Air. This one is about sewer line replacements in Miami. And I'll be straight with you because it's a big job and you deserve the truth. Not every bad sewer line needs full replacements. Sometimes a spot repair or a trenchless liner does it. But when a line is collapsed completely, or it's badly root infested end to end, or its original clay or cast iron that's reached the ends of its life collapsed, replacement is the honest answer, and patching it just wastes your money. Here's what we do differently. We camera the entire line first, so you can see exactly what we see. Where the property allows, we use trenchless methods that replace the pipe without tearing up your whole yard or driveway. And we handle permitting and inspections for you. In Miami-Dade or Broward County, that part matters, and doing it right protects you down the road. 35 years doing this in South Florida. We're a licensed Florida plumbing contractor. Our license is CFC 1433-145. If you've been told you need a sewer line replaced, get a second opinion from us first. Give Sunny Bliss Plumbing and Air a call. Thank you.